Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to accept ACH payments with Stripe. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and head to stripe.com. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on Settings. This section contains all the essential configuration options for your account. Scroll down to find the Payments section under Product Settings and click on it to continue. Inside the Payments area, you'll see an option called Payment Methods. Click on it to view all the payment types Stripe supports. For this tutorial, we're focusing on ACH Direct Debit. Scroll down until you locate the section labeled ACH Direct Debit. Once you find it, look for the toggle switch next to it. This controls whether payments are enabled for your account. Go ahead and click on the switch to turn it on. Doing this activates payments and allows your customers to begin making direct bank transactions through your Stripe account. And that's it. So that is how you can accept ACH payments with Stripe. So that's all for this video. Thanks.